Okay, so we'll continue creating a grappling hook in construct2 using the chipmunk behavior. This is what we have so far. You could basically shoot it out and then retract it, and it also wraps around the edges of the tile map. But as you can see, it's not finished. So let's see. Okay. We need to add an instance variable to the chord sprite. Oh, we already have it. Okay, wrap direction. We'll also add another one, previous angle. Let's add a blank sub event, and then add a local variable, first angle and second angle. Okay. So the first angle will be, let's set the first angle to this will be the chord, actually angle of the chord position to the chord dot actually, let's see, what do we have here? Set position to angle. Let's move this stuff down here. Add another blank event there. Set value of first angle to the current chord sprite. Wait, we can just take the chord sprite angle since we've already set it. So the first angle is chord sprite angle. Second angle chord chipmunk dot contact point 0 chord chipmunk dot contact point y grappling hook x grappling hook y. That's the second angle. So we create a new chord sprite, and then we'll set the value of the chord sprite's instance variable previous angle is the first angle, and we'll also set the wrap direction to wrap direction to this equation, which basically gives us the wrap direction. So 360 plus the second angle minus the first angle mod 360 greater than 180. If this is true, then set the wrap direction to -1. If this is false, then set the wrap direction to a value of 1. That's what that does. So this new chord sprite will have a wrap direction. So if it's wrapping around this counterclockwise, it's -1. Clockwise, it's 1. Okay, now what's next? Okay, let's add another event above, and actually chord big instant preset. Okay, chord sprite dot count -1. So let's create an event. It picks the last chord sprite that we've made. Okay. Let's add another condition. Compare two values. Chord sprite that count is greater than 1, which means there's more than 1. Okay. Chord sprite count. Okay. Let's add another condition. Compare two values. Add the formula. Second angle, first angle. The first angle will be the chord sprite dot previous angle. The second angle, let's make that chord sprite dot angle. Okay, if this if it does not equal chord sprite dot wrap direction, if it does not equal the same wrap direction, then destroy the chord sprite. Let's see what happens. I think that'll work. Okay. As you can see, it retracts all the way. Okay, what's next? I guess we can make this, instead of a box, we can make it a circle. And it seems to like float around too much. So let's try disabling that. Actually, we just make it less instead of negating the whole gravity, let's just negate half of it. Let's try that. And let's apply a stronger force, I guess. Let's see what happens. Whoa. Okay, what's next? Add a condition, actually, grappling hook dot chipmunk dot speed, maybe? Speed, which one is it? I guess the speed less than 100. I don't know. That limits the speed a bit, I guess. Okay, we need a global value variable, chord length, max chord length, set it to, let's try 100 for now. Okay. Add another sub event. Pick all chord sprites, so reset which objects are picked. And then for each chord sprite, let's add a length local variable. Let's put it there, I guess. Add to the length chord sprite dot width. This will get the whole length of the current chord that we're creating, that's wrapping around stuff. Okay, next. Actually, maybe it should be done before this, maybe. How do I have another one? Okay. This should go down here to get rid of that. Destroy joint. Last chord. And add a slide joint. Last chord. That'll be the name of it. Do position of the grappling hook connected to position of the chord, position of, I guess, the chord. And max distance will be max chord length minus the length that we just calculated. Let's see what happens. Whoa. Destroy, add slide joint. Should work. That's weird. Oh. Should be the chord sprite dot x. Let's try it now. That's weird. Okay. I think it's working. It's just, it got like too long before. Whoa. So what I need to do is, when I create the grappling hook, we need to create a sliding joint. Oh wait. Sliding joint. Yeah, player. UID, unique identification. Okay, so set grappling hook, connect it to the player's position, max distance, max cord length, call it last cord. This is when you first create the grappling hook. And I guess we could destroy that joint before the object gets destroyed. I don't know if that matters, but we'll just do that just in case. Okay. So let's try it now. Whoa. Okay, what's next? Why does it do that? It's going crazy. Whoa. I guess it doesn't matter. It needs to stick to the surface anyways. Let's do that, I guess. equals collide. Add another condition. Compare two values. Grappling hook chipmunk. Joint type. Hooked, I guess you call it. If it equals to nothing, means it's not attached. Add a pin joint, I guess. Position of the grappling hook. Self.x, self.y. Hooked. Okay. Add another condition, check if the grappling hook is connected or not. If it's not, then it means we could still wrap stuff around. It doesn't want to retract. Okay, so destroy hooked when we retract it. It's not equal to, meaning it's not being retracted, because we don't want it to get hooked on anything when we're retracting it. So we add this condition there. Okay, so it gets stuck there, then we retract it. That's weird. We'll have to fix that. It's all acting weird. Oh, okay. If the grapple is it's being retracted, or if the grappling hook chipmunk joint type hooked does not equal nothing, meaning either it's being retracted or the grapple is hooked onto something. If it equals to 1, if that's true, equals to 1, then it will negate the force of gravity. Oh, maybe yeah, let's try it, see what it does. Let's undo that. Instead, we'll just don't know what we'll do. I guess we'll set it immovable. Let's try that. And then when we retract it, unset it. Okay, so let's see if that fixes anything. Uh-oh. Okay, we can't do that, I guess. So, remove those. Now, maybe because it's getting stuck inside of the object. So maybe we should like push it out. Okay, how do we do that? Okay, set position of the grappling hook to self.x plus self.chipmunk. Contact depth times self.chipmunk contact normal x. I guess the contact depth needs index value. Let's do the same thing for y, change the x to y. Put this before we add the joint. Let's see if that helps. Okay. Seems better. Yep, seems to be working better now. Okay, okay, now what? Let's try making the other end always connect with the player, because at the moment the player is like disconnected from the cord. Choose the first instance of the cord sprite, instance 0. Let's set the cord sprite position, player X, oops, player Y. I guess it also needs to record where it's wrapping around stuff. So let's give the cord sprite some more instance variables. Position X and position Y. Okay, and we'll set those set angle, set width. Okay, cord sprite set value of position to sprite that image point 1, because we already set the width of it and the angle, so the image point should be where it is wrapping around. just to remind you, the image point, we have the origin point located right here, and the image point located on the opposite side right here. So when it gets stretched out, it'll be at the end of the chord segment. Add a sub-event, compare two values if chord sprite.count is greater than 1. Else actually, we don't need the else one. Just if the count's greater than 1, then we will set the angle to position X, off that position Y. So the angle from the origin point to the image point, basically, or where it's wrapping, basically. And then the width, same thing. Why is it doing that? try that. Oh, wait a second. No, we don't need that. Maybe if we round this as well. Why does it do that? I don't know. I guess that's it for this video. I'll have to think about what to do next.